Opportunities to earn thousands of dollars to tens of thousands of dollars by creating foreign content using ChatGPT can make foreign content creation easy, without showing your face. It's really easy, no need to think about content ideas, we'll use ChatGPT technology to do everything. Welcome to the How to Art.ai channel. In this video, I will discuss how to create foreign content with the help of ChatGPT. Watch this video until the end because I will explain it step by step and in detail. So, first, I will show you a YouTube channel for reference. Here it is. In front of you, there is a channel called Touropia. This channel is about travel, and its content includes recommendations for the best places to visit in a region. Now, here, we will create content like this, but in the form of shorts, where we will only make videos less than 1 minute long. We will utilize ChatGPT technology to create travel content similar to the Touropia channel. Okay, let's move on to the content creation stage. In the content creation stage, there are several steps. Starting from finding content ideas, creating content scripts, preparing voiceovers, finding video footage, editing the video, and creating titles and descriptions. So, don't skip the video so you can understand what I'm explaining in this video. Okay, let's start with the first step, which is finding content ideas. You can open the ChatGPT website. Then, here, I write best country for traveling like this, then click send. We'll wait for ChatGPT to finish generating and writing what we asked for. Now, here are some recommended countries to choose from. You can choose one to use as a content idea. For example, I will choose Italy as the content idea. Next, you can click the plus icon here. Then, you can type in ChatGPT like this, write me script for YouTube video, 60-second about 10 best places to visit in Italy, then click send. Now, here, ChatGPT will write a 60-second YouTube script about the 10 best places to visit in Italy. It's done here. Here are 10 recommendations for the best places in Italy that we will use to create short content. However, as an example, I'm only creating a few places so this video isn't too long. Next, we'll convert the text into a robot voice for the content. You can copy the script first. Then, open the ttsmaker.com website, I provided the link in the description, just click it. After entering the ttsmaker.com website, you can paste the script into this column. Like this. Then, scroll down to select the voice type. I choose an American accent. Next, scroll down again to enter the verification code. Then click Export. We wait for the result. You can listen to it, and if it's suitable, you can download the audio. But if you want to be safer, I suggest using your own voice. If you use your own voice, you just need to read the title, for example, 10 best places to visit in Italy. So, you only read the title. It's your decision whether to use a robot voice or your own voice. Moving on to the next step, which is finding video footage. You can open the pxels.com website. I provided the link in the description. Here, you can type in what you're looking for. For example, if I want to find video footage about Italy, I'll type Italy in the search bar. Here, there are many photos and videos. You can select the videos. There are many video footage options that you can download for free and are copyright free. For example, I want to download this video. You can click on the video, then click Free Download. Then, I search for keywords like Colosseum, Vatican, Gondola, Venice, Florence, and so on. Okay, if you found some video footage, the next step is video editing. Here, I'm using CapCut. You can click on a new project and select the video footage you downloaded from Canva. Next, select the aspect ratio, and choose 9:16. We'll trim the footage so it's not too long, because using too much footage can result in repetitive content. So, keep it between 3 to 5 seconds. Then, you can add the voiceover. To make it better, we can add automatic subtitles. Click on text and choose automatic subtitles. Make sure to change the language to English. Once done, click Start and wait for the process to finish. Here, the subtitles have appeared. You can change the subtitle style. For example, I'll change the font to make it more appealing. I'll choose a font that I find attractive. Like this. Next, I'll change the color to white with a border like this. Later, you can be as creative and unique as you like with the subtitles. Then, you can add a copyright-free background sound. You can find background sounds on YouTube's audio library. I provided the link in the description. You can zoom in using 2 fingers first, then select the 3 lines here, and choose the genre, in this case, holiday. Then click Apply. Here, there are many background sounds in the holiday genre. You can select a background sound. Click on the song, then click Download. Here, I will add the background sound that I downloaded from YouTube's audio library to CapCut. Click on Sound and select from the device, then choose the No Copyright sound. Once you've added the background sound, you can reduce the volume to 50%, like this. And increase the text-to-speech volume to 1000%. After you feel the video is ready, you can click Export. Okay, moving on to the 6th step, which is creating the title and description. You can use ChatGPT again to create the title and description. Here, I'll write like this: write me title and description about 10 best place to visit in Italy. ChatGPT will then write an engaging title and description for our video. Next, you can copy the title and description to notes, like this. Then paste it into notes like this. You can also add hashtags like shots and YouTube shorts like this. Later, you can copy and paste this title and description when you're about to upload the short video. So, that's how you can make money online by creating content with the help of ChatGPT. I believe the video is sufficient up to this point. I hope my explanation can be understood, and this video or information is useful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the How to Art channel so you don't miss out on other interesting videos from this channel. Thank you for watching. Good luck, and see you in the next video.
Travelers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a whirlwind tour of the 10 best places to visit in Italy. So grab your gelato, because this is going to be molto bene. First stop, the Eternal City, Rome. Explore the Colosseum, toss a coin in the Trevi Fountain, and visit Vatican City for an unforgettable experience. Next, we have the romantic Venice. Glide through the canals on a gondola and get lost in the charm of St. Mark's Square. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Admire art at the Uffizi Gallery and marvel at the stunning Florence Cathedral. Cinque Terre, a colorful coastal gem. Hike between the 5 picturesque villages and savor fresh seafood. Amalfi Coast, where cliffs meet the Mediterranean. Drive the scenic coastal road and enjoy the stunning seaside towns. Tuscany, a wine lover's paradise. Sip Chianti in the vineyards and explore charming towns like Siena and San Gimignano. Salon, a fashion and design hub. Visit the iconic Duomo and shop in the stylish Gallery of Vittorio Emanuele II. Sicily, an island of diverse landscapes and culture. Enjoy historic ruins. The elegance of Lake Como. Relax in the scenic beauty and visit charming lakeside villages. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and hit that bell icon for more travel inspiration. Arrivederci, and happy travels!